right, so you're thinking about doing a juice fast, but you don't know where to start. Well, this video is for you. I got you, sis. What's up, guys? It's your girl, Makita, back with another video, and I'm not gonna hold you. We're gonna get right into it. In this video, I'm gonna share with you some tips and strategies that help me be successful during my 37-day juice fast. And if you haven't seen that video, I will link it here on the screen. So let's just get right into it. Number one, I want you to take it slow, and I want you to prepare for your juice fast. The very best advice I could have ever received on my water fast and my juice fast is to prepare your body for that change. What I did was, well, my diet was already raw fruits and vegetables before I did my juice fast, so it was pretty easy. But what I decided to do is have really watery fruits a couple of days before my fast. Now, if you're coming off the standard American diet, I would definitely say take about 5 to even a week in advance to prepare for your fast. Start by just alleviating processed foods, refined sugars. You want to limit your meat intake, and you really want to focus on getting lots of raw fruits and vegetables in your diet. And maybe the last 2 to 3 days right before you do your juice fast, just start maybe replacing a meal with juice and then having more watery fruits. Your digestive system will thank you for it, and your body will as well. You're gonna minimize a lot of detox symptoms that's going to occur on this juice fast by preparing your body in advance, okay? Number 2 is, I want you to keep it simple. There are so many juice recipes all around us that we wanna try. But the biggest advice I can give you is just to keep it simple. Even doing just one ingredient juices like watermelon juice or orange juice or apple juice. Don't be afraid of having your juices and having your fruit juices. Don't even get me started on people saying that the sugar is bad for you. And I was a believer in that until I tried it for myself. Now, my suggestion is I always had a juice to break my fast, and then I had a green juice, and then I have a juice to end my day. And my theory of that is the fruits are very detoxing. Fruits are cleansers to your body. And I feel like the vegetables and the green juices offer the vitamins and the minerals that your body needs to work at its optimal level. So I wanted to make sure that my body was eliminating, but I also wanted to make sure that I'm getting vitamins and minerals that my body needs. So I would have lots of watermelon juice, or I would have something as simple as pineapple and apple, or for green juices, I would have celery and green apple and ginger, or I would have kale, green apple and ginger. I tried to make my recipes as simple as possible, and I only juiced about 3 times a week. Cold pressed juices usually last about 48 to 72 hours, so I would juice maybe 3 times a week. Otherwise, you're gonna burn yourself out trying to juice every single day. The juicer I recommend is just go ahead and invest in a Nama J2. I could not have gotten through my 37-day juice fast without a high quality juicer. Otherwise, sis, you're gonna be struggling in that kitchen if you don't. The Nama J just knocks that juicing out, saves you so much time. So number 2 is keep your recipes nice and simple, 2 to 3 ingredients at a time, and it's also gonna be better on your pockets doing that as well. Watermelon, melon yield lots of juice. So again, stick with maybe 1 ingredient, 2 to 3 ingredient juices at a time, okay? Number 3, I want you to juice enough and sip often. People think, well, it's juice, I don't want to have too much. And I get it, because we're so programmed to believe that juice is really bad for you. But remember, you are hyper nourishing your cells with all this nutrition. You're giving your digestive system a break, but you're also nourishing your cells. So you want to drink in abundance. There are times where I was having 5 to 6 to 7 32 ounces of juice a day. And I wanted to make sure that I wasn't craving things. I wanted to make sure that if I felt like I was hungry, I was drinking. I was taking my juice with me to restaurants with my husband. I was taking my juices to restaurants when I took my kids out. I had so many major events occurring, birthdays and family events during my juice fast, and I would just take my juice right along with me. Was it hard? Absolutely. There were tears shed. There was a lot of feeling sorry for myself, but I knew that this fast was the best thing for me, and I was determined that I was going to stick with it. So make sure that you take advantage of the fact that you are nourishing yourself. So make sure that you're drinking often and always keep your juices with you. Okay. Number 4 is I want you to rest. Now, this might be different for everybody. If you listen to your body and you feel like it's appropriate for you to still hit the gym, by all means do that. For me, I felt like your body is really doing a lot of work. If your body digesting food, it is going in, and your cleaning crew is getting in there and cleaning out and restoring your body. I want my body to make sure that it's using all its energy to clean out my body. I don't need it to have to exert more energy trying to compensate for my workouts. So I did light strength training or not if I didn't want to, but I did make sure that I got some kind of movement in by just going for walks every day, because I still wanted to support my lymphatic system by moving and allowing my lymphatic system to continue cleaning and detoxing. So you want to listen to your body on that. Okay. Number 5, I always say to my clients, find a why that makes you cry. That means find a why that's going to be so significant to you that you want to do what you need to do for that why. My why was the fact that I have 2 little boys and I want to be in optimal health for my children, because I am an older mother. I'll be 48 this year, and I have a 10-year-old and I have a 7-year-old. And I want to be in the best shape possible, because I don't want to be on the sidelines watching my kids play. I like to be out there with them. I like to go swimming into the park, and I race my kids and I play basketball with them. I like to make sure that I'm active with them. So whenever I would struggle, I would sit and hug my boys and say, okay, this is my why. I want to be around for them. I don't want my kids to have to take care of me. I don't want my husband to have to take care of me. I want to live vital and a vibrant life and show my kids what's possible as well. So find your why, because baby, you're going to have times where those cravings are going to hit you hard, and you're going to have to pull out that why, write it down, put it on the sticky note on your fridge, put it in your bathroom, so when you wake up and get on the toilet, you see it. Put it on your mirror, put it on your car. Yes, I did all these things to make sure that when those cravings hit, or when you want to quit, you focus on why you're doing it, and you tell yourself, this is why I'm doing it, and I'm gonna hang in there. Whether it's a 3-day fast, a 7-day fast, or an extended fast, your why is what's going to help you get there, okay? Now, my bonus tip is, a lot of people focus on whether it's organic or it's not organic. I encourage you to look online and find the Clean 15. These are a list of fruits and vegetables that you don't necessarily have to get organic. I know that I can't think right offhand, but I know like fruits that you want to put in your mouth right away, like apples and strawberries and grapes. Those things I would definitely say make sure you get them organic. They have a very thin skin, but like avocados and pineapples and oranges have a tougher coating, so you don't have to focus so much on getting those organic. Now, was that organic the whole time? Absolutely not. Do I know a lot of people who made sure that every single thing that they ate, they drank, was organic? Yes. And if that is something that you feel like you need to do, by all means. It is not something that I obsessed over. If I can get it organic, I did it. Seedless versus unseeded. There is such a big controversy over that. If I had watermelon and it was seedless, I still ate it. I still juiced it. If it was grapes, I still juice seedless grapes. Because would I rather have this seedless juice or soda? Would I rather have this seedless watermelon juice, or would I rather have some wine? So in my opinion, this is going to be a better choice over that. But you go with what you feel in your heart resonates with you. But I did not focus on whether every single thing was organic or not. So decide if you want to do a 3-day fast, or just replace one meal with juice and then two meals with a juice, and then a dinner in the evening. Go slow, experiment with what's going to work for you. But I used to not believe in juicing and detoxing until I had some health issues. And then I realized and did so much research on the fact that by the time you're 40 or 47 like I am, your body needs a good cleanse. People say, oh no, but you have a kidney, you have a liver. But with all the toxicity that is in our world, and the processed foods and the sugar and the lotions and the shampoos, all the things we put on our bodies, our organs need assistance from us. That's the reason why a lot of people suffer from inflammation and autoimmune and all kinds of diseases, is because of all the toxin overload our body has. So giving your body a fast, a water fast or a juice fast, can do nothing but help you on this journey. Yes, you will lose weight. Yes, you're gonna have energy. Focus on all the benefits. I had lots of energy. I only dropped about 5 pounds. I didn't lose a lot of weight on this. I had mental clarity. I had, oh my goodness, I would sleep well at night. There were so many benefits of this juice fast. Now, if you have any questions or I left something out, make sure you drop them in the comment box below and let me know if you are on a juice fast or you're thinking about doing the juice fast. I want you to write the date. I want you to hold yourself to it, and I would love to come back and celebrate you. Come back when you start your juice fast and comment it, and then come back when it's ended and let me know how it went. Make sure you give this video a like. If it was helpful to you, pass it on to a sis that might find it helpful. If you need any assistance and you want to do a juice fast but just need some accountability, make sure that you sign up for my 4-week coaching challenge, and I have slots available for anybody that wants assistance on an extended juice fast. And you guys, I will see you in the next video.